Welcome back. Ministry of Earth Sciences has proposed to drill a borehole in the Arabian Sea to collect data on climate records of past thousands of years. The borehole will help scientists to study monsoons and the Himalayas. Ministry officials say level of Indian Ocean is rising by 6.5 millimeters every year, which is more than any other ocean.
These facts were deliberated at the 7th International Conference on Asian Marine Geology held at NIO in Donapal. Marine scientists and geologists across Asia have taken part in the conference. Secretary of Ministry of Earth Sciences Dr. Shailesh Nayak was the chief guest. Professor Yong Eng Park from Seoul University, Dr. Satish Shetye and others were present for the conference. India survives on monsoons. Ministry of Earth Sciences has decided to study climate of Indian subcontinent and Himalaya by drilling a borehole in Arabian Sea. Dr. Shailesh Naik says this proposed borehole will give insight into Himalayas and the climate.
We need to have a deep boreholes through the International Ocean Deep Drilling Program. We have already proposed to have a deep borehole on the Lakshmi Basin in the Arabian Sea. This borehole is expected to provide the high-resolution climate records for studying the erosional history in the Western Himalayas and sedimentation in Indus Valley. Also on the development of monsoon as well as the role of Himalayas in modulating the climate in this Indian subcontinent.
Detailed plan of borehole is expected to be finalized by next week. But ministry has also expressed worry as Indian Ocean has seen tremendous rise in sea level. Since 2004, Indian Ocean has risen by 6.5 millimeters every year. Thermal expansion and increase in ocean mass are some of the reasons behind this phenomenon. Scientists feel Indian Ocean level is rising more than any other ocean. Ministry is planning to study an impact on this sea rise on coral reefs and other marine creatures. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Prudent Citizens Forum has once again raised the issue of bogus ration cards. They have blamed Civil Supplies Minister José Philip de Sousa for not acting on their previous complaints. The forum has now threatened to take the matter to court if the minister doesn't initiate a scrutiny to identify bogus ration cards.
Prudent Citizens Forum had first highlighted the issue of bogus ration cards in their village. And despite this, they got an interesting reply under RTI about the number of bogus cards by the Civil Supplies Department.
All the 11 talukas of Goa gave us a reply which was very astonishing, saying that there is not a single bogus ration card issued in Goa. In black and white, this is on RTI.
The forum held the Civil Supplies Minister responsible for the scam.
मेन हा म्हणटा तो जुजे फिलीप हितून जोरी तर तो नाचलो जाल्यार तेणें आमकां सांगलें हांव पळयता न्हू तुमी कित्याक बेश्टे बॉम्ब मारता हें जुजे फिलिपान सांगलें जेन्ना आमी प्रेस घेतलें तेजे उपरांत जुजे फिलिपान आमकां आन्सर केलें कितें गेलें की हांव पळयता न्हू तुमी कित्याक बॉम्ब मारतात हे पळयता तो तेजे तालाची पळय खंय खंय दवरल्या ते कितले बोगस रेशन कार्डां करता आनी हप्ते घेता पळय ते पळयता आतां 1 म्हयन्याचो तांकां टायम दितले 1 म्हयनो आनी 1 म्हयन्या भितर तर जी आमकां कितली मेळटा रेशन कार्डां वोटींग कार्डां ज्या घरांचेर इनलिगली दिल्लीं आसा आमी ते हायकोर्टान वयतले त्या घराचेर त्या मनशाक त्या घराचो अधिकार दिवचो.
The forum has suspected that as bogus ration cards were found in villages like Siolim and Nerul, there may be many more such cases in other villages as well.
The Civil Supplies Minister must immediately take the necessary steps to ensure that the screening process starts. All the ration cards which have been issued in the state of Goa should be screened. And screen kortokoch, what report screening acho public korcho.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has claimed that he has no accounts in foreign banks. Home Minister says he has no account in any other state other than Goa. He was speaking at the inaugural function of the Coastal Security Police Station at Betul.
My Goya Shuddha Bhai account is limited asa. And now my foreign account is now. Khanchet gaon now as it declared the press survey answer. Ki my foreign country accounts kait na. Goya mar deshangi na. Goya mar deshangi na. Fakt Goya purte asa. जाल्यार एक देना बँक आसतली एक ती तरी म्हाका पगाराचे पयशे हांगा वयता आंध्रा बँक पणजी त्या वेळार चॅक जाल्यार तरी करची सगळे तरेचे एक देना बँक एक देना बँकी आनी एक हांगा.
Betul Coastal Security Police Station was inaugurated on Monday. It was inaugurated by Home Minister Ravi Naik, DGP Dr. Aditya Arya, Forest Minister Philip Neri Rodriguez and others were present for the inaugural function. Arya stressed on the need of technical staff in the department.
Things are not moving at the pace we require. We have no manpower, practical manpower to man these boats. We have only police officers who are supposed to go for patrolling and saving the coast, but as far as the technical staff is concerned, it is still somewhere lying in the secretariat and those have not been sanctioned. I wish that the Honourable Minister looks into it personally at personal level and sees that all those posts are released as early as possible.
After Shioli and Betul, another coastal security police station will be inaugurated at Harbour in Murgaon. Our reporter from Murgaon, Ravi Naik SAYS.
You will find America in Goa from 12th October to 14th October. The American Center Mumbai has planned 3 days full of activities in the state. Goan musicians will feature in Daniel Pearl World Music Days. This is a step to promote better understanding of culture, society and values.
The American Center Mumbai has planned a 3-day-long program in the state. This will include lectures, quiz, exhibitions, a play and much more.
Tomorrow there is a talk on the environment and coastal zone regulation. I think this CSR, which is right up our street because we do a lot of work on the environment also. We do a lot of this is conserving environment and mitigating disasters in coastal zones, which is on trafficking in persons, that's human trafficking. Again, another very important subject. We're going to be cleaning the beach at Miramar from 7:30 in the morning because as you can see, there's the kind of garbage which is lying around over there.
The center will celebrate Daniel Pearl World Music Days for the 4th time in Goa. This time, Goan musicians will be featured in this concert.
The Daniel Pearl Music Day, as you know, Daniel Pearl Music Day is celebrated every year. This will be our 4th time celebrating it here in Goa with Kala Academy. And this year we're very excited because the performance will feature Goan musicians. And these were our musicians that were selected by a Radio Mirchi contest in In March. And so we have Nakshas Iyer and Shalisa Fernandez.
A reporter from Panji, Devdas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.